what is the overall mission of the corporate and commercial strategy business unit here in Acumen?
It's actually quite simple, no? Our core mission is to help organizations win in the market and
Mhm.
sustain that growth for long term. So there are two parts, big parts of CCS, that's our shortcut for Corporate and Commercial Strategy Business Unit. On the corporate strategy side, we help leaders make the big calls. We call them, big calls because these are the opportunities to pursue and
Mhm.
how to position the business for long-term advantage. On the other hand, on the commercial strategy side, we make those strategies relevant in the market, no? Sharpening the value propositions so the companies or brands will be chosen over competition, and then designing customer experiences that will really drive revenue. So together, our
Mhm.
mission is not just about strategy formulation, it's connecting those strategic choices to commercial impact or outcomes.